Hi there from Patio Productions. If you're considering adding a pergola to your backyard, you may be wondering, what is the purpose of a pergola? Well, there are several great reasons to incorporate one of these garden structures into your outdoor space. A major purpose is for shade. With an open roof design, pergolas allow refreshing breezes to flow through while still blocking harsh sun rays. Cool off and relax in the shade under its canopy. Pergolas also provide the ideal support for climbing vines and flowering plants. Beyond function, pergolas add striking visual interest to any landscape with their classic architecture. The geometric shapes and intersecting lines draw the eye upward, lending height and dimension to your yard. Use pergolas to define separate spaces too. Designate cozy lounging or dining areas under the structure. Extend your living space outside under its roof. So if you want shade, a plant trellis, eye-catching design, or outdoor room dividers, pergolas are a versatile addition to your patio. Visit patioproductions.com to explore custom pergola options for your home.